Alright, man, so look. The other night I was riding, man. I tell you, I felt like, I was, you know what I'm saying? We were acting up on the highway. Don't get me wrong. We were acting up on the highway, man. And then I got off the side of the road, and the worst thing I would hate to happen is, man, I'm acting up on the road, and my car break down. And I'm hitting it, and hitting it. Seen smoke, steam under my hood. I'm like, oh, man, it's embarrassing, bro. It's cold, so you can see the steam. What I didn't know was, this is a normal fix. This is a normal thing that happens. So if you mashing it and you know what I'm saying, cutting up real bad, let me show you what possibly could happen. This is a 2017 Dodge Charger RT, man. This right here could happen to you. This. You see that? It's broke right here. You can't kind of see it right now. But that part right there, let me see something. Let me zoom in for you. It's broke right here. This is a normal fix, but that right there could be the problem. You lose coolant and shit like that, man. So be careful, man. You're driving. You don't want to lose coolant. You know what I'm saying? I got to change these hoses out too. I'll probably change them. I ordered those, so them hoses gonna be here Saturday. But man, my car was smoking. I'm like, what? I'm looking at losing coolant, bro. I had to buy new coolant, and then my coolant just spraying all. I'm like, man, my shit's smoking. So look, man, go to AutoZone or wherever. If you go to AutoZone, this is the part, man. The 626320. So, and plus that one plastic, this one metal, so it's gonna last, man. But I'm gonna change it out and let y'all know. All right, so check it out, man. What that is? Some shit. All right, man. So here we go. Here we go. This is the old piece. You know what I'm saying? I was seeing on everybody on YouTube talking about they had to cut it to get it off, man. I did have to cut mine too. I had to cut it. He said I had to cut that to get it off, man. So you might have to cut it to get it off. But this is it, man. You see it's broke. You can't probably see it that good, but it's broke. It's old. Yeah, man. So this the new one right here. Like I say, it's metal. So we gonna do that. Yeah, I lost a little bit of coolant, but I got some. So you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna change it out, man. And we're gonna show y'all how the thing works. We're gonna blow out a little smoke. I lost a little coolant on the side, you know what I'm saying, when I did open it up. I did lose some coolant, taking it off. So we're gonna go ahead, fill it back up for the rest of the money. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Like, you see a little coolant right there, man. I'll probably throw some water on that or something, try to figure it out, man. So that shit don't like my shit smoking. I'm gonna cut that off. Alright, man, that's it. Yeah, they do that shit in sport mode a lot, so let's throw it in sport mode, take it for a test drive around the corner, man. Let's see over here. Alright. I'm taking for a test drive, man. Just make sure everything, man. Y'all see my baby. Y'all see my baby, man. Alright.